Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Reefy here, bringing you my first Let's Play on Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Now, before I get started, I just want to give some backstory behind this game, my history with it, because this is one of my favorite PS3 games, and it's one of the first ones I actually got. One of the first PS3 games I got. And also, Ratchet and Clank is my favorite video game series of all time. My favorite one is, what's it called? Up Your Arsenal. I played it on PS2 like crazy, but yeah, I played this one in particular so many times as a kid. I got this when I was like 10, 11 years old. And now as an adult, I still play this game from time to time. That's how much this game means to me. But with that out of the way, let's get this started. Make a new game. This is over like this just because. I'm actually recording this the second time because there was a problem with the audio earlier, but I kind of got it fixed. Kind of. But whatever. Let's just get this started.
Fuel lines, check. Horizontal stabilizers, check. Ion thrusters.
Looks like we had a tailwind. If we time it right, we can ride the slipstream of the grav train past the sea grid traffic. Launch the mag grappler onto that pedway overpass and slingshot right up to...
Ratchet.
The thrusters are fine, Clank. See? Don't worry, it's probably just a fused ion.
Incoming message from Captain Cork.
Ratchet? Clank? I've got a bit of a situation here at the Planetary Defense Center. Nothing I can't handle, mind you, just a few heavily armed robotic commandos, but I figured, hey, if you were in the neighborhood, maybe... Wait, aren't you handsome to die?
Heavily armed robotic commandos.
When aren't they heavily armed?
Are you sure this is functioning properly?
You worry too much. Planetary Defense Center, here we Clank! Hit the auxiliary thruster! You alright?
Watch out! Where are you going?
It's a shortcut! Trust me!
Ratchet, look out!
See? What did I... Looks like we're going on foot. At least I can try out my new nav unit.
Alright, now let's get into the gameplay and get it started. For the controls, we got L2 to strafe, R2 is the crouch, X to jump.
Welcome
you can
back,
do a double
customer
jump and then cover for a little
91802.
bit right
If you're
after.
looking to combat a
Squares
massive
to
deadly
the top,
space
do a
armada,
3-hit
the
combo.
Gadgetron Help Desk will be
Circle
happy to
is your
assist.
special weapon. Right now we have two weapons, the combustor and the fusion grenade. You can switch, press L1 and R1 to switch between the different weapons, but we'll get more later on in the game. Alright, so also what you can do is a long jump. But before we continue, I just want to show you guys something. Excuse me, my allergies are bothering me. Nope, wrong one. Want to go to gadgets, switch to the thruster pack. Ever since I was a kid, this is always my favorite of the jetpacks to use because I mean it looks fire. And also you got a better long jump I feel like. Alright, I'll start my killing these. Boom, boom, alright. Now as you can see all those bolts and gears and stuff, that's the money we're using. With money, you can use it to buy weapons, equipment, and better gear and other things like that. Also, you jump into the air, press square to do a little slam with the wrench. Alright, let's keep on pushing. And also, up there in the upper left corner, you may notice it says B1. What that means is that weapon is level 1. The more and more you use weapons, the more they level up, they get stronger, and you gain more ammo capacity and other things like that. Alright, so like you step on them past X and just simply play.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
And like you said, you can hold on triangle, select the weapon. There's no stick. Anything back there? Oh, you also another attack. You crouch, press square to throw the wrench, like a boomerang. Looking like Sokka from Avatar, the last airbender, boomerang. Shouts to everyone who watched Avatar. Security in school. Some more clothes. Let's save up money so we can buy better gear and equipment. More of this stuff. Alright. Now we got this grinding session when you already grinding in his hand. Feels like Sonic Adventure 2 or something. Boom. Boom. Alright, we almost done. Boom, you go with that grind section. But I remember there's another one coming up soon. Well, let me switch to the fusion ways to show you guys how it goes. It's just a basic grenade, basic ass grenade. That was a good point. That's why I can't fight.
Enter aim mode, press and hold the look button. You can then aim
yeah,
using the right stick and
like
move
a
using the left
third-person
stick.
kind of mode.
Press the R1
Press
button
R1
to
to
fire.
shoot or fire whatever weapon you hold it. Throw it up and horse it. Hey.
Keeping on the meteor path. Track his trajectory and converge on his position.
Those purple boot jump pads, they automatically send you up as soon as you touch them, so you know how to touch them. That's cool. Anything else? Oh, 8 feet. Last thing I want to do is down on the first level. We go, let's see what happens to the rest of us. Alright, let's move on, keep walking. Oh, also, before I forget, always gotta have subtitles on. People who don't got subtitles on in games like that, those ones, you can't tell me otherwise. Just keep on walking so the bridge is being destroyed.
Nanotech acquired. The more
Alright, so
nanotech
what you saw
have,
right
the more
there is
damage
that
you
I
can
leveled
take.
up, and whenever you level up, you gain more health, meaning that you can take more damage. Previously I was at 10 health, now I'm at 11 health. Since I'm playing Ratchet and Clank right now, I might as well just say this out the way. I want Ratchet and Clank and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. So far, the DLC characters have been fired, even though everybody's tight that Body was the last character for the first Fire Pass. Me personally, I was cool with it because I played Fire Emblem Three Houses, and it's a fire game. No pun intended. But yeah, so I kind of wanted Body to start with. my wish came true, you know, like out of practice. Yeah, imagine Ratchet and Clank smash with all the weapons he got. His final smash would probably be the Rhino 5. Just pull it out and start blowing everybody up with it. Yo, he was nothing but he wasn't even better at the end of the rail, right? Also, you jump in the air, press square to do it. I think the higher you go, the more damage you do. I'm not too sure.
He's heading towards the planet's central defense station. Dispatch enforcers to that sector. Do not let him inside.
Alright, so you see right there what just happened?
Your weapon has
The
upgraded.
combustive reached
Weapons
level
upgrade
2, meaning
automatically as
that
they are
it got
used.
stronger, it
This
has more
increases
ammo.
their
Actually, no,
damage
it
and
doesn't
adds
have
new
more ammo.
modifications.
I believe once it reaches its final level, which is level 5, I believe, it'll get more ammo capacity. But yeah, it just got a bit stronger. I might just max out every weapon in the game. I don't know.
Ratchet, the planetary defense center is 200 cubits below us. How do you propose we get down?
I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
Alright, you want to take your time with this. I don't recommend doing launchers because you will definitely attack them when you look for it. Fusion layers, I need to take that over. Alright, for those who don't know, 6-axis was the way Sony put motion controls into their PSP controllers. I personally hated it because I felt like it was unresponsive and really sensitive at times. But luckily there's an option to turn it off. And it's not there. Control options, controller motion sensors off. When you turn it off, you can just use your animal to ratchet. Wow, once you got big on fine stuff.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboids, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada, please press 3. Para español, oprima número 4.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Alright, oh, I wasn't paying attention. Just got to check the dodgy gun. Should be good. Got the transform.
My sensors are picking up structural damage to the grind rail.
So that's been
Ratchet, that warship is gaining on us.
comebacks in the universe. Truly a pathetic specimen of the race, I'm afraid. So weak.
And you are?
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and, pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe.
Your name's Percival?
Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, the giant walking throne and legion of loyal robotic commandos. Emperor! Not that a treacherous furball like you could... What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers.
Oh, I'd be careful if I were you. He's got posomorphic blaster cannons in each fingertip.
My gripe is not with the people of this arcade planet, but with you. Surrender your deathbot and simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Fair enough. Here you go!
Autopilot engaged.
Whoa! Hang on, Clank!
Hyperspace boosters online. Engaging cryosleep.
Cryosleep? No. There's no way I'm gonna...
It is fortunate cryosleep does not work on robots.
Clank! Clank! Are you okay? You got knocked out there for a minute.
I am fine. Where are we?
Beats me. Ship must have run out of fuel while on autopilot. Come on. We need to find another ship and get back to Kerwan.
Alright, so with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video, part 1 of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video soon, and you guys take care, have a good night. I'm off this.